Hello, hi, and assalamualaikum. Welcome to my page. Today, like the title, I'm gonna make a review about a fidget spinner named I buy it at Shopee, and the name is Luminous Fingertip Spinner Full Metal Luminous Finger Decompression. The name is too damn long, but what I know is one of the name is Yijo Machinist or Yoji in Chinese. Yoji Luminous Fingertip. Okay, but first we're gonna do an unboxing first. What we get in the box? Yeah, I buy it at Shopee at this shop. I will put it here on the screen right now. At this shop, I've opened it first, but I've never actually tested it properly. So now I'm doing that. What will we get on the box is one, the fidget spinner itself. This one, fidget spinner itself, and then we get another free fidget spinner. I think this one is a light up. Yeah, the light up one. And what's in this case? Oh, we get UV light. It's supposed to be a UV light. Yeah, it's a UV light. Later I will show you why they give me the UV light. And then one pouch. What is this content of it? Yeah, inside we will get a bearing, and then what is this? Maybe a bearing opener for the spinner itself. See, this is the bearing. I don't know what model is it. Try to spin it. Okay, you put it back on the back. Yeah. And then for the spinner itself, this is the free gift. Thank you, Toke, for the free gift. And this one is for the fidget spinner itself. At first impression is a bit heavy in the hand. Oh my god, it's beautiful. See, it's very smooth. Oh my god, so heavy. First impression is it's very heavy. You see, the sound is very smooth, right? Despite my fan sound, you see, you can hear the sound of the bearing. It's very smooth. It is very smooth. Yeah. Oh, quite good. As far as comfort or playing it, I don't think so, because it is not very comfortable for for just fidgeting around. You still can do a hard spin, but it's not that comfortable, because there's a few reach for you to span it like this, but it's not that apa, what do we call, it's not that comfortable. It's not that, yeah, it's not that comfortable. But overall the build is okay, and this is what it came from, the UV light, because this fidget spinner had a glow in the dark thing. See, yeah, even inside the thumb grip, then you spun it like this. Oh my god. Okay, now we're gonna make the duration test. How long will this thing keep on spinning? Okay, for the spinning and duration time, I will be using my phone to check the time, and then I will fast forward the video so you don't have to wait for that long. So in 3, I will try to spin it as fast as I can. In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, to see the glow in the dark effect, I will close the light first, and then yeah, you can see it's glowing, right? It's quite bright actually. Now open the light. As you can see, it takes 4 minutes and 33 seconds 4 minutes and 33 seconds for it to full stop. It's a massive power. You can feel the gyro. See, really heavy. As you can see, as in my video, you can see a few. I think I make almost like 10 spun on the typical fidget spinner, and it takes only seconds for it to completely stop. See, this one is a cheap one, the free gift one, but it's beautiful. This one is it cost me about 60 ringgit for this. 60 ringgit is about what, 20 bucks maybe, almost $11 to $15 maybe, but it's quite good. 4 minutes and 33 seconds for me is a good time for that kind of price. The build quality is good, but it's not that comfortable to spin it like this. Compared to the normal fidget spinner, it is very comfortable to spin it. See, and it will not hurt your fingers. See, this one it will be a bit. It will see, it's not that comfortable to spin it like that. Maybe like this, but still we cannot. You cannot make maximum power over it unless you have to use 2 fingers like this. Okay, that's all for my video. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum.